Hello everyone, remember to like and subscribe. Today we are gonna make a lantern for Mid-Autumn Festival. Let's open it up. Wow, there's lots of parts. Now it's time to draw your favorite things on the lantern. Mine has ponies and rabbit and a rainbow. I'm tracing with a black marker. Nearly finished. Now it's time to color your pictures. Remember to add lots of colors. I'm using pink paint for the wooden frame. You can choose any color you like. Remember to paint the front and back. Time to stick everything together. Almost finished, just need some sparkles. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.